Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Check out that big old rock.
Yeah, I like these rocks. They're cool.
Yeah, we are off out here by Tombstone, Arizona. Just on some little trails that we found. And we're on the trails. Trail 125s. Pretty cool. Whoa, does that get too bad or no?
Doesn't look like it.
Hang on. Holy mackerel, what in the world? They're just all over out here, ain't they?
It's a little soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
You got on that rock there.
I thought that was a horse turd. Like that horse turd laying up there in the road. Look at it.
That's a heck of a horse turd.
I had no idea all this was out in here. Hang on. Hey, we can move in out here. Seriously. Look at this.
Oh yeah, trailer.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Double wide.
I mean, a little bit of work maybe, but it's not that bad.
It's so double wide even.
It is. It's
multiple homes. Look at that. You got another home over there.
Multiple mobiles. Look at that one. That's a nice one. What's that sign say over there?
I don't know.
Can you read it?
Agricultural research survey something.
Probably says this is a bomb testing place. They're going to drop bombs out here only on Sundays.
Probably. That sounds about right.
On any Sunday they'll do it. Well, we got the junk out here, that's for sure.
Hey, is that tower?
Oh, it is, sure enough. Look at the old train bridge.
Yeah.
We got to figure out how to get to over there. I think that's what that is.
It could be another one like it, but that sure as heck looks like that same tower.
That's it.
Because it was right at Tombstone, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. We're just on the other side here of it.
Well, because we took... so after we were at that place, we followed that road and we came out at the end of Tombstone.
Yeah, we did. That's sure enough. Yeah, it's a monument.
Yep.
That's an old train trestle. Check that out. Now, where do you get to that at? Probably through there by where that trailer was.
Oh, the trail that we were on, and we turned left to go out this way. If we would have gone the opposite way, it would have came to that.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
That's what that is, because we were just right there.
We gotta go back. Or maybe we go this way and come on this side of it. We'll see.
Yeah, assuming the road even goes over there if you're lucky.
We gotta ride across that baby.
I don't know about that.
I knew when I said that what you'd say.
I don't even think you could get on it at all. It looked like it was detached.
We're on a trail 125. We can jump.
That's true.
You don't realize.
You just got a bunny hop.
You don't realize what you're dealing with. Is your problem. That one go down there.
Well, that road would have had to come out somewhere.
Yeah. Well,
so,
the train
yeah.
track.
Yeah, it would have had to come out somewhere. Just a matter of where. Someone was over there at that monument. I don't know if you saw him standing there.
Oh,
But somebody was standing over there.
There's a road there to that. Two over in there. We just gotta get down there on that road. There's something else over there.
Oh, it's right there, yeah.
There's that cement thing we went in. The waterway thing.
Oh, yeah, we were right. Are you sure it's that one?
Yeah, see, there's the brick thing that was up above it, the cement block thing, and then it's down in there.
What about that one to your left?
Oh, wait a minute. There's another one. That's something different. Never mind.
No, that's not the one we were at, because if you look at going up the middle, it's not sand, it's gravel. You see it? That's gravel going up the middle.
Yeah, that's wider too. The other one, the other one was steeper up there.
That's what I'm saying. So it was that one over there on the right.
Holy cow.
We just went around and I didn't even see it.
Pretty crazy is what this is. Look at that crow. He's sitting there waiting for us to die
Yep.
so he can pluck our eyes out. There's more trails. They just go all over the place out here, don't they?
Yeah, there's a ton of riding on this side of Tombstone.
Just have to remember where it is. It's kind of back behind Circle K.
Yeah, you got literally, the entrance we took was right behind Circle K.
Yeah.
That's easy to get to.
Yeah.
I remember.
You need to go in front.
Oh,
So you be on the, well, you are on the video, I guess.
we got both videos.
Yeah. Well, that's yeah, but not you. You get up here in front for a little bit.
What, that you just don't want me to give video of you crashing in the sand.
Yeah, I'd like to get, if you crash in the sand, I want you on it. Oh boy, this is more of that stupid sand.
Yep. Where the heck are we going? Oh, it's over there.
We've been better off to went the other way.
I know, I didn't even see that.
Holy cow. Oh my God.
Did you
You're
just
doing better
squirrel
than
out?
me.
Did you squirrel out?
Almost.
Apparently,
Golly.
apparently sand is the only thing I know how to do good.
Well, obviously better than me. I'd hate to say good, but
Yeah.
better than me. Which don't have to be good.
I think we're at the end of the trail here.
Uh-oh, yep.
So
We need
maybe
to go
this
back to that
does.
trailer house.
Maybe this doesn't connect back.
Look at that rock.
I know.
Take it home. I'd like to have it. Put it on the back of yours. Well, it's just all kinds of fun out here.
Yep. Oh, I see where your tire went.
All over the place. Looks like a snake track. That's mine.
Ooh.
God. I'm way off the road now. Jeez.
Trying to balance it.
God. That's crazy. Whew.
So you said go back to the trailer
I guess.
where the mobile homes were?
Yeah. Can you find your way back?
I don't know, maybe. It's a mess of trails over here, way more than I thought it was going to be.
No doubt.
What the hell? We turned...
That's where we went.
We came from here, right?
Yeah. Well, we went out there and turned around and come back, didn't we? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I see our track straight ahead.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah. Leave it to your son to get you out here and get you killed.
Yep.
Driving all crazy.
Well, look at that lizard go, man. He was going faster than the bike.
Them dudes are fast.
Yeah.
There's got to be a way to go in behind this trailer.
I don't think so. I think it's around the corner back where we came from. Because that's like a dead end. That's where that preservation thing is.
Yeah, probably so.
See, that is the trail that goes to the ditch. This is that other ditch, the one that had the gravel.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. Yep, this is just like, this one's way wider.
No doubt.
But look at this. Is this a trail on the other side?
Man, what a ditch.
Oh. Well, I don't think this is much of a trail. Nope. Never mind.
Never your mind.
Yep. There's something there, but I don't think that goes anywhere.
I think it goes up to that road we was on, that bridge. I think that's it.
You think so?
I don't know, but I think it is. This thing won't climb it.
Really?
No.
Oh. I think it's going to be a dead end right when you get over the top of that hill.
No, it ain't, but I can't climb the hill. Loosey-goosey. Can't make it.
I think if we go back and take that one road we came off of, then we could go straight to that bridge. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. What are you doing?
I'm off-roading this baby.
That stuff is soft on the edge.
Man, I don't like that sand.
Just because it's a workout.
I'm a sand sucker because I say it's sucking sand. That would be a nice house when it was new. Hang on. So you're saying go right here?
Yeah, this is where we turned.
Whoa, loose sand. There went another one of those fast lizards.
Man, those suckers, they move way faster than you think. You see them with their legs all the way out on the sides and they're
Yeah,
just
they're
flying.
boogieing. Just staying low profile. There's that one we went in, probably right there.
Yeah, so over here to the right is going to be the thing. It has to be.
The trestle.
What's that?
The trestle. Train trestle. Whoa.
You be able to get back up that?
I hope. If not, it's your fault.
We're going to end up pushing them back.
Check that out.
Oh, we came out underneath it.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to go across that trestle. It's in bad shape. I bet you it's just totally open in there.
Oh, it is. It's broken apart.
Oh, yeah.
It's a mess.
Not me. Not me. Maybe Scott, but not me. Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching the videos. Click that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Catch you all on the next one. Right on.